We're doing it on Omega. First ranked match of the night. First duel of the night. I'm back with another ranked match. Win or lose at post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to see the deck list, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the frames. Ooh. Round 1. Dude! That's it? Okay. Ouch. That was not good at all. Yeah. What the? Whoa, this is not looking good for me. Oh man, no, it's okay. Shit. Okay, that's good. It's good. Guess we'll go to plan B. Birthday. Go get some. Yugioh Shogun. Red eyes, dark journey. I could do that, but that's the point. I won't have a negate if I try to negate right now. Kokuyatsu. Activate effect. Battle. Birthday. Direct attack. Dragoon. Direct attack. Tenendo. Vision Hero Valiant. Dragoon negate, discard orange light. Gain 1,000. Ooh, it's over for you. It is over. I'm just gonna, no, you know what? I don't have that guy. Battle. Dragoon direct attack. Finish it. Let's do this. Dang, I need to put a rarity on Mu Beta Fafnir. Yeah, I think I'm good. Yeah. Kurisu. Oh snap! Hey, that's good. Destiny draw. Oh, what's going off here? There's discard increase. Bion effect. It's gonna dump. Shadow Mist, yep. Shadow Mist using its effect to add a hero monster. Elemental Hero Liquid Soldier. Extra Hero Wonder Driver. Fusion Destiny. He is now locked in a dark hero monsters. Dominance. Banishing the malicious for another malicious. Dominance, what the sort deck. Look at your top 5 ones that can place in any order. That's no monster. Okay. Oh, that is not a once per turn. What? Once per turn. It is banished. Oh, okay. Never mind, it is a once per turn. 2 effects, once per turn. On both for Bion. So he's got a polymerization in his hand. Nope. Just draw it. Each player draws a card. Okay. He looked at my hand and then he made me draw. Okay. What? That's it? Okay. Okay. There we go. There we go. Alpha Tribute. Delta. Special summon from the hand and defense, activate effect. Adding Ben 10. Joel and Lockbird. Oh no. Well, guess what? Called by the grave. I had this in my hand? Really? What? Zero tribute. Then 10. Activate effect. Add Minions DRYTRON. Then 10. Activate effect. Add Divine Herb Herald. And see summon. For move beta Fafnir. Activate effect. Send to the graveyard Gamma. Normal summon. Divine Herald. Activate effect. Send to the graveyard from the extra deck. Herald of Arclight. Arclight effect. Add Herald of Ultimateness. Yeah, you know what? Let's go with this. Oh shit, I can get an beetroot. I could get an beetroot. Nah, it's okay. That's okay. I want to get that extra draw. Yeah, this is the only chance I think I can get that extra draw. Delta, activate effect, reveal a ritual spell or monster, draw a card. Come on. Minions DRYTRON. Herald of Ultimateness. Yeah, I could do this guy now. I'll detach from new beta. And attack. Oh shit, what I put him in attack. Minions DRYTRON, decrease attack by 1000, add back from grave. Minions DRYTRON, Ben 10, detaching from Ubeda. Overlay. Exceed summon. Features. Activate effect. Attach. Divine Herb Herald. Send to the graveyard. Eva. Eva effect. Banish and banish. To add and add. Okay. I still have this here. I would need to make room right now. Oh, look at this. Look at this actually. Yeah, we need to make room, so I'll go with this. Activate Cyber Emergency. Ooh. I'll get the Draconids. Gamma, Tribute Draconids. Special Summon. Activate effect. Special Summon from the grave. Alpha. Verte. Since this one has a lower attack, I'll use 7 beta. Verte effect. Copy. Redis Fusion. Red Eyes Dark Dragon, Dark Magician from deck, and Red Eyes Black Dragon. Yugioh Shogun! Activate effect. This guy has a high attack. Okay. This one has a higher attack here. This guy's a link monster. Good link line. What was that? Vision Hero increase. That's gonna be. Let's negate that with ultimateness. Dragoon. And extra hero cross crusader. Verte target. But then just let's negate that with Dragoon. Increase Dragoon's attack. Battle. Dragoon attacks. Vision Hero Guardian. I think it's the same thing if I attack like that. I don't know. Alpha attack. Draw hand. Ultimateness attack. Liquid Soldier. Oh yeah, he's done. He's done. Oh yeah, he's done. Wow. That's game 2. Check out the field one more time. Not bad. Let's do it. I think we're at 12:44. Let me double check here. Yep, 12:44. 12:64 now went up by 20. 133. 134 went up by 1. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.